Today we're going to run through how to be competitive in a residential hardscape market. The Multi-6 is a tool that is allowing contractors to stay competitive in the markets for two reasons. Number one, it's allowing contractors to be more profitable. And number two, it's allowing those contractors to retain good employees. So before we get into it, what happens if you don't implement the use of a Multi-6? Here's a simple example. In the excavation industry, you had shovels, now you have excavators. Companies doing excavation are no longer excavating with shovels anymore. They're implementing excavators to dig those foundations. Companies that were using shovels are either A, no longer in business, or have implemented an excavator. And I'd even go farther than that. Now they have a GPS system. GPS system is allowing these contractors to become even more efficient. The guys that don't have the GPS are not as competitive as the ones that implemented the GPS systems. Again, the use of the Multi-6 is not just for early adopters anymore. It is now becoming a standard, and a standard in the residential market. So the first thing, the Multi-6 is going to allow you to be more competitive in the market, allowing you to be more efficient, install more projects per year, which is ultimately creating sustainability, which is allowing you to scale your company. And as a result of all of that, you're allowed to bring on more employees, retain better employees, employees that are implementing and utilizing the new tools and solutions to again make their jobs easier, but yet be more profitable. So ultimately, implementing better tools is going to keep your team happier, which is going to sustain those team members longer. So if you made it this far, I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking, well, Multi-6, probably a large investment, and yet when is it ever going to pay off? And when does it make sense to invest in a Multi-6 based off of maybe the square footage I do per year? We've created a calculator that we're going to walk through that's going to help you understand just that, and will give you the answers that you're looking for. All right, so we're going to go through the calculator, a simple calculator for whether it's worth investing in the Multi-6. And again, you're going to need to implement your own numbers. Anything with yellow on it is going to be a number that you're going to want to implement and put your own data in. The investment of the Multi-6 is going to start you right around $27,000. If you want a more accurate number, by all means, reach out to us. We'd love to get you a quote of what it might look like door to door. We're going to start out with your current performance. Essentially, how much are you installing a year? You can do it by the project, but I always recommend doing it by the year. And ultimately, I would even do it by the 10 years that the Multi-6 is going to run for. We have clamps that are well over 10 years old, but just for a number, 10 years is average what a clamp like this will last you. So I would put it over 10 years. It's really going to give you the true value and what you're going to profit at the end of those 10 years. Let's just do it by a year. So 20,000 square feet, that's saying doing 20 jobs at 1,000 square feet. Pretty average, I would say. Current install rate, you're going to put in your square footage per hour, per individual. That's going to give you your total labor install of doing it manually. So 200 hours in order to install that 20,000 square feet. Then we're going to go into the Multi-6. Multi-6, you're essentially going to be able to lay pallet, or essentially a layer, in 40 seconds if you're doing it mechanically, and 120 if you're doing it in a fronting application. You can watch the videos that we have on mechanical and fronting that will help you understand the difference between the two and give you where we got these numbers from. So real life application of us actually doing this. Picks per hour is going to be 90. Then you're going to be able to implement what is the square footage on your pallet. Typically it's anywhere from 10 to 12. This is going off of Blue 60, which we install a lot of. It's 12.5 square feet, allowing us to install 1,100 square feet per hour with that machine. Now, labor requirements for the Multi-6. Labor hours per installer is 18. Double that for a two-man crew is 36. Labor rate per hour for labor consumption, you're going to put in your labor rate. Do you bill out at $80 an hour? Do you bill that at $120, $100, whatever your labor rate is that you bill out at? Put that number in there. Labor cost without using the multi-6 is essentially taking the hours that we had said it would take your crew to currently do it, and we're putting that in times that number to give you what it would actually cost for your labor on that 20,000 square feet. And then labor with the multi-6, the cost of your actual labor is $3,000. So ultimately, your labor savings is $16,444 on that 20,000 square feet. Now, it's short by about $10,555 of paying that multi-6 off. What you have to keep in mind is the next part, opportunity cost. So the time that it took you to actually install those pavers is now what they call an opportunity cost, because the extra labor that you spend actually installing those pavers by hand is actually costing you the next task. So you could have already been doing the next thing, the next job. You could have already been installing the next job by implementing a multi-6 head, because it's going to install that much faster. So at the end, essentially in this 20,000 square feet, we profit an additional $5,800 after even implementing the cost of what the multi-6 cost us. That's 1 year. Encourage you to put in maybe over this next 10 years. So instead of 20,000 square feet, that's 200,000 square feet. You put those numbers in right up top here. Now all of a sudden, you're profiting $301,888. Is the multi-6 for you? Let's go back to that shovel versus the excavator. Why do you think we excavate with an excavator? Because it's that much more efficient. That's what we need to think about. Utilize a calculator, put your numbers in, and let me know what you find out. So there's a couple things that came out of this video. Multi-6 is going to allow you to stay competitive in a very competitive market. And number two, it's going to allow you to be more profitable, retain better help, and ultimately, that's our goal here at Pave Tool, is to help you guys so you can be more efficient and get these results. If you have any more questions, please give us a call. In the description below is the calculator that you can utilize to put in your own numbers. And also, if you're wondering, what projects would I utilize something like this on? We did a side-by-side comparison of by hand versus mechanical in a residential application that might help answer any unanswered questions. So watch that video, and thanks again for watching.
You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.